Quitting a job professionally requires careful planning and respect for your current employer. Start by deciding if it's the right time to leave, taking a moment to weigh the pros and cons and perhaps discussing any concerns with your supervisor to see if they can be resolved. Once you're sure, aim to give at least 2 weeks' notice, as this is standard courtesy and allows your team to plan for your departure. Then, write a brief resignation letter, including your last working day and a note of appreciation, which serves as a formal record of your decision. To help your employer improve, consider providing constructive feedback during an exit interview if one is offered. Rather than resigning by email, schedule a face-to-face meeting with your manager or HR representative to share your news, giving them a chance to discuss a transition plan with you. In the last weeks, focus on wrapping up projects and documenting essential tasks to ease the handover process. Finally, before you leave, take the time to thank your colleagues for the opportunity, recognizing how your experience has helped shape your career. This thoughtful approach to resigning can keep your professional relationships positive and your reputation strong.